How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of pimples on your forehead overnight, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So what happens with the pimples, you guys? The reason why you're getting them is because of two things. Two things are occurring. One, too much oil is getting trapped inside the pores, inside the hair follicles, or two, too much dead skin is accumulating inside the pores. It's usually one of the two. So what happens is your body has a ton of glands on it. Those glands release what's called sebum. Sebum is literally an oily substance, so it's oil. Your body is producing oil. Your hair, your skin, your nails, your body always produces oil. There's glands in all of these and it produces oil. That's fine. That's happening right now. Too much oil production getting trapped inside those pores will cause pimples. So bacteria, dead skin, excessive oil is getting trapped inside those pores, and then you're getting pimples. How can we prevent this? What we need to do is we need to start exfoliating. The definition of exfoliation is literally to remove dead skin cells. So that's what we need to do. We need to remove the dead skin cells. But exfoliation will also get rid of bacteria. It will also get rid of trapped oil inside the pores as well. So exfoliation works amazing. I've tried it before. My whole entire forehead used to be covered in pimples. Same with my cheeks, covered in pimples. I tried acne products, acne creams, all these different home remedies. Nothing worked until I started exfoliating. So the great news about this is it's super, super easy. You can do what's called a sugar scrub, or you can go to the store and you can actually buy exfoliating products. So what I did is I just did the sugar scrub. What you need is literally 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it together. You get like a little bit of a paste. And then all you do is you just rub it on your forehead or wherever the pimples are. Rub it really nicely into the skin for 60 seconds. After that, wash it off. Do this in the morning and before going to bed. What I also did is right after I just moisturized my forehead a little bit. Within like literally overnight, I seen like a quarter of the pimples go away. Literally dried out, gone day, a quarter of them. So my face was terrible. Overnight, it got like much, much better. Then after a week, all gone, all gone. I did not get them ever again. So that's what I recommend. End of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.